Welcome to Bike Shift, your trusted destination for the latest motorcycle updates and detailed overviews. Today, we explore the 2026 Yamaha TW200, a legendary dual-sport motorcycle that continues to win hearts with its simplicity, rugged design, and go-anywhere attitude. Built for riders who love freedom on and off the road, the TW200 remains a unique option in Yamaha's lineup. The 2026 Yamaha TW200 stays true to its iconic look, featuring a compact body, upright stance, and wide tires that instantly set it apart. The chunky tires not only give the bike a bold personality but also provide excellent stability on sand, gravel, and uneven terrain. Its minimalist design focuses on durability and practicality, making it ideal for adventure seekers and everyday riders alike. Powering the 2026 TW200 is a dependable 196 cubic centimeters air-cooled, single-cylinder engine known for its smooth and predictable performance. This engine is not about high speed but about control and confidence. The bike delivers steady torque, making it easy to handle trails, dirt paths, and city streets. The 5-speed gearbox is well matched to the engine, offering relaxed cruising and easy low-speed maneuvering. One of the biggest strengths of the Yamaha TW200 is its off-road capability. The wide tires provide excellent grip and balance, especially for new riders or those exploring challenging surfaces. Long travel suspension absorbs bumps effectively, while the lightweight frame ensures effortless handling. Whether it's mud, sand, or rocky paths, the TW200 feels stable and forgiving. The 2026 Yamaha TW200 offers a comfortable riding position with a low seat height, making it accessible for riders of all sizes. The upright handlebars reduce fatigue during long rides, and the simple instrument cluster keeps all essential information easy to read. Its fuel efficiency and low maintenance requirements make it a practical choice for daily use and weekend adventures. The 2026 Yamaha TW200 is not about flashy features or aggressive performance. Instead, it focuses on reliability, versatility, and pure riding enjoyment. It's perfect for beginners, adventure lovers, and anyone looking for a tough, dependable motorcycle that can handle both city roads and off-road trails with ease. The 2026 Yamaha TW200 continues to prove that simplicity never goes out of style. With its rugged build, trusted engine, and unmatched versatility, it remains a timeless dual-sport motorcycle.